Welcome to Motion Horizon. Today, you're about to witness something extraordinary. How the world's most powerful, most luxurious, and most expensive supercars are actually made. Sound of engine rev. These machines aren't just cars. They're engineering masterpieces built with extreme precision, rare materials, and cutting-edge robotics. This is the real behind the scenes of how supercar factories build the fastest machines on Earth. Let's begin. Every supercar starts here, inside a top-secret design studio. A team of world-class artists, engineers, and aerodynamic specialists create the first sketch. Using advanced 3D software, they sculpt every curve, every edge, and every aerodynamic line. The goal: to make the car faster, lighter, stronger, and stunning from every angle. Then comes aerodynamics testing. Digital wind tunnels analyze airflow at 200+ miles per hour. Even a 1 mm change can increase stability or reduce drag. Once the design is approved, the blueprint moves to the engineering team. And the real magic begins. A supercar isn't truly a supercar without a monster engine. This part of the factory is treated almost like a laboratory. Technicians hand-build engines with extreme precision. Every piston, crankshaft, and valve is inspected under microscopes. Some brands even have one technician build one entire engine, and their signature plate is attached onto it. These engines are tested on giant dynamometers, simulating full-throttle acceleration again and again. Temperatures can reach over 900 degrees Celsius, and vibrations are so intense that the room is soundproofed. This is the heart of a supercar. Next comes the body, made from one of the strongest materials on Earth, carbon fiber. Stronger than steel, lighter than aluminum, and incredibly expensive. Carbon fiber sheets are carefully laid into molds by hand, layer after layer. These molds are heated inside giant autoclave ovens at extremely high pressure. This process makes the body rigid, lightweight, and race-ready. Each part can take hours, even days, to create. This is why supercars cost more than ordinary luxury cars. The labor, time, and materials are on a completely different level. Now it's time to build the foundation, the chassis. This ultra-strong frame must survive high speeds, sharp corners, and extreme G-forces. Engineers use precision robots to weld, shape, and join metal components with accuracy down to fractions of a millimeter. The suspension system is installed next. Depending on the model, you'll find adaptive dampers, race-grade springs, and sometimes even F1-inspired pushrod systems. This ensures the car isn't just fast in a straight line. It's fast everywhere. While machines build the outside, the inside is crafted by human hands. Expert leatherworkers create seats, stitching, dashboards, and steering wheels. Everything inside a supercar is customized: color, stitching pattern, material type, and even smell. Alcantara, Napa leather, forged carbon, real titanium. These aren't just materials. They're luxury components designed to make the driver feel like they're inside a cockpit. This is the most exciting part: final assembly. The chassis, body, interior, suspension, and engine all come together. A team of technicians aligns every component with laser precision. The car's advanced electronics, sensors, and computers are installed next. Modern supercars use more computing power than a commercial airplane. Every bolt is torqued to exact specifications. Every cable is tested. Every sensor is calibrated. And now, the car is almost alive. Before the supercar is approved, it must survive a long series of brutal tests. Rain simulation, extreme heat chambers, cold testing, vibration testing, and multiple dyno runs. And finally, the road test. A professional driver takes the car on a special track to push it to its limits. High-speed straights, sharp corners, hard braking. If the car passes these tests, it is finally ready for the customer. From a simple sketch to a roaring machine worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. A supercar represents passion, engineering brilliance, and the pursuit of perfection. These aren't just vehicles. They're art. They're science. They're the future of automotive technology. If you enjoyed this inside look into the supercar factory, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Motion Horizon, and stay tuned for more incredible behind-the-scenes stories from the world of machines. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.